Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from Capgemini. So Capgemini is conducting pooled campus drive for engineering and MCA graduates, and this hiring is going to be for 2022 batch. So first of all, let's see the eligibility criteria. So as you can see, candidates should be graduating in the year 2022, and if we talk about the academic qualification, so you should have BE BTech degree from any of the branches like mechanical, civil, electrical, computer science. Any branch student can apply who has done BE BTech, and also MCA graduates can also apply. And with this, ME and MTech students from information technology, information science and computer science, these three branches can apply. And candidates should have 60% or above in their diploma graduation, and you can mention the aggregate of 7 semesters, so your CGPA will be considered till 7 semesters. And MCA graduates should have aggregate of 5 semesters, and ME and MTech students also should have 60% or above. And with this, candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap, so make sure you don't have more than 1 year of educational gap. And candidates who have done diploma and degree, so there should not be any gap between diploma and degree. And with this, there are some other things given here which you can read, so the link will be given in the description of this video. And let's see the last date. So the last date to register for this particular pool campus drive is 15 December, so make sure you apply before this date, and assessments will be scheduled from 18th October onwards. And if you want to see the assessment process, so the first step is technical assessment, which will be a pseudocode round, and then the second step is multiple choice questions, where you will get questions based on English communication test, and the third round will be game based aptitude test, and the next round will be behavioral competency. And once you clear these rounds, the next round will be technical and HR interview. But make sure you clear all the rounds to reach the technical and HR interview. And if you want to register for this pool campus drive, you can just click on this register now button, and you will be eligible to apply for this particular test. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from Work at Tech. So they are hiring for software development engineer, and this hiring is for 2022 batch graduates. So this is an internship program for SDE profile. So let us first of all see the skills which are required to apply for this internship. So you should have skills in Java, C#, PHP, Ruby, Python, C++, JavaScript, etc. So if you have good programming knowledge of one of these language or more than one language, so you will be eligible to apply for this particular internship. And also you should have good grasp on programming fundamentals, including OOPS, design pattern, algorithm data structure, networking. So basically they are expecting the core knowledge of computer science field like object-oriented principles, design pattern, data structure algorithms. So all these skills are required if you want to apply for this internship. The link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's see one more job opportunity, which is from Cred, and this job opportunity is provided by Relevel by Unacademy. So as you can see, Cred is an Indian startup, and they are hiring for 2 roles. The first one is backend developer role, and the CTC will be 14 to 38 LPA, and the second profile is front-end developer. So the CTC will be 14 to 38 LPA for this one also. And if you want to apply for this particular hiring, so there will be a link given in the description of this video. You just have to click on that link, and then you will get an option to register for the test. So if you click on this particular option, register for test, so you will get an option to book your free slot. So pick any date and give the test, and if you score more than 700 in your test, then you will be eligible to interview for this company. Similarly, we have one more opportunity from Upgrade. So Upgrade is again Indian startup company. So they are also hiring for 2 roles. The first one is business development trainee, and the CTC will be 4 to 5 LPA, and they are hiring for one more role, which is Java backend engineer. So for this role, they are offering a CTC of 10 LPA, and for this company also you will have to go to this page and you will have to register for this test. And one more thing, this test is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. So just click on the link which will be given in the description of this video and attend this free test. And if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes, and thanks for watching.